Steady lah, I'm going to do this myself. 2 plus 1 is 3. I scared leh. I'm not expert. How come cannot come out?
Bueno, sí.
Hi, welcome back to my channel everyone. I hope you enjoyed my JAVA Neo3 20-inch review. But today we're back with a different content. Today we're talking about this machine bike comp mount. As you know, I'm a noob, okay? I don't know anything, everything all my husband do for me. But today I'm going to try my best, okay, to do it myself, DIY. Wish me luck. Okay, currently guys, I am using this machine bike comp mount, which is actually mounted using a rubber attachment or rubber mounting. So honestly, it's nice lah. It's okay. It does a job. But then sometimes, right, I find that this thing sometimes it does shift around. Okay, for example, it will just go up like that. Sometimes it will go down like that. You know, that kind of thing. And like and some more it's okay for the OCD people lah, like me. This bike comp is not in the center of the bike. It's like slightly on my right side. So today, actually my husband found this bike comp mount. Let me show you what it is. Okay, Dash Ami found this Trigo bike comp mount from Taobao. So how much is it, Dash?
Cannot remember. Later we put the link below.
Okay lah, we don't know how much exactly that is, but we'll put it in the link below how much this is. The good thing about this is it uses the existing mount that our bikes has. Okay, so I am going to show you how to install this on my bike.
Good luck.
This is the rubber mounting, the old mount. So we are going to open this, take it off. We're going to take this off. Ta-da! Okay, next. So it comes with all these attachments.
Rubber seal.
It comes with rubber seals and Allen key for you, and also the mount itself.
This one looks like T-line bike comp, but this is narrow. The T-line is wider, so that's why we cannot use T-line bike mount.
Okay, so for those of you who owns a T-line, sorry lah, too bad you cannot put this on your T-line.
Because I got extra to put on her, but cannot, so I have to buy a new one for her.
I want new one. Okay, steady lah. I'm going to do this myself. Okay, I just learned this one not I pandai I'm not expert also This one is called a torque wrench. Correct or not?
So,
You know this first? Okay, wrench. Let's use this wrench is there's a switch here.
Lever.
Huh?
It's a lever.
Sorry, there's a lever here. When you switch it this way, it's for opening. When you switch it this way, it's for closing. Okay, clockwise is opening, anti-clockwise is closing. But I can never remember that, so we test lah. If like that means you tak boleh, you cannot turn it like that. That means it's for closing lah. So I have to switch it this way. So now I open. Sedih lah. Okay, that's not difficult. Okay, not yet. Okay, so how Dash? You just keep on doing that
Yeah.
until I can turn. Do I have to? Okay, I turn this one also lah. Is it both?
Yeah.
Okay. Row your boat gently down the stream. Cannot ready. Okay. So now can open already not yet leh.
Okay, because it's loose already.
It's
yes,
loose
you
already.
need to hold lah. That's what you did just now, right?
Oh, I learned something today. Because once
By yourself.
Yeah, see? I bet I'm quite a fast learner lah. Okay, not difficult. Just wait lah. Maybe tomorrow then I can install this. Patience is virtue. How come cannot come out?
Hey, see now. Heaven, so far away.
10 hours later.
Okay, it's out. It's out, guys. Okay, so now we have this, so we can push this up. Okay, the 2 screws.
Hold in your hands.
No, I don't want.
Okay.
I want to put it at the bottom. Hold my hand, definitely. I very clumsy, so
Yeah, because you need to put there and then straight away you put.
never mind.
Okay.
This is my way.
Okay lah, let's see.
My way. Okay. So we put this in that way, and then we take this two, one. Betul ke ni? Okay, you have to wiggle it a bit lah, so that it goes inside the hole lah. Okay, wiggle it a bit. Ha! Yes, it's in.
Yeah.
Okay, so do we have to put this?
Yes.
Okay,
If you don't put, then how?
the washer? No.
On it.
Okay. Alright, so they gave just now, as you know.
You see? Should be this way, yeah. This tapered one go this way, not this way.
Huh? Got two ways ah. Oh, this one is flat.
No, this way.
So this one lah. Oh, okay. So we're not going to use the washer. Okay, guys, we're going to use back this thing. Okay, so as what Dash Amin said, the flat side should be at the bottom. This like something like angular or tapered side will be the one you stuck at the butt. Now we switch this lever here. Not lever. We switch this lever here. And we screw back lah. Come got no someone. Huh? Nampak?
Correct lah, like that.
Correct ah?
Just turn it around.
Turn it around first ah.
Because you don't have the top to do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't too tight. Then after that, go to the other side.
Okay. Am I handling this like a professional? Okay, tight ready. So what must I do? I see. This one haven't not this one not yet. That means
How
now it's
tight?
tight.
How tight you should tighten the bolt?
Alamak, I don't know.
3 Newton.
Huh?
3 Newton.
3 Newton.
Check your wrench.
3 Newton.
See first. You want to adjust. See?
4.
This one is 2.8.
Okay.
So you turn this, put down, pull, then turn. With one hand, no need to both.
Oh, okay. Where? Cannot lah, besar.
Can.
Like that lah.
Come. Hold this. Hold this, the top one lah, like that. And just turn. This is the lock. Here you turn. Then this is 3. Yep.
How you see 3?
2 plus 1 is 3.
2 plus 1 is 3.
This is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3.
Oh, the small number. I was looking at the black colour.
You can't professional.
I still see professional. Okay. So what does the top thing do?
So make sure you do not too tight,
Not
or
over
it
tighten
will broke the bolt.
So what must I
Actually,
do
it's
now?
supposed to be 4 until there's a click sound.
Oh, okay.
Okay, then go the other side.
I cannot hear the. Is that it?
Don't worry, you cannot go over.
I scared leh. Is that the click sound? No.
No.
Is that it?
Yes.
This one don't have leh.
No, yes. Haven't lah. Dah.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay.
Check.
Lama. Okay.
Okay. Pass. Okay, now
Okay.
take your computer.
Okay.
Bike home.
Okay. Okay, this is the bike com. So put it back. Put it in here. Okay.
How it looks. People usually put the thing first, then you mount.
Oh, I different. I put this thing first. I mount first, then I put this thing.
Okay lah.
Burn pula tu. Okay, dah. This
How
is
it
okay, Dash Ami.
Yeah. Nice.
Nice.
Yes, in the middle.
Right, hard to get over, too low to get under. Right in the middle, stuck in the middle. And pain is thunder.
It's quite secure.
Yeah, it's secure. Of course, it's secure.
And
It will not move around. It will not go up and down.
okay, some guy will not like this position because it's not arrow.
Oh,
Because
okay.
it's pointing this way. right? Like my bike is point this way
Okay.
to arrow because she's not going that fast, so this is okay. So won't affect her lah, her riding. Okay, now let's ride.
Can I got you feeling wavy? Way too early to be hazy. Start a 10 job cause you crazy. Yeah, you back in the game and you don't feel ashamed. Always want me at your party. Like me next to a Bacardi. Cause you know I'm spinning faster than a Harley. Yeah, you still in the game but you don't feel ashamed. You just close your eyes when you wish to be free. You look up to the sky and call on me. Let me put color in your sky, take away the gray. Turn the roof to a floor on a Saturday. Up your tall in the night, you do what I say. I'm just a getaway, I'm just your getaway. I'll make you warm if it's chilly and I probably make you say